In today's video, we will see more than 10 examples of Excel shortcut keys. Let's start with our very first example. Create a copy, and the shortcut is Ctrl plus drag. Over here I have got my Excel data and I have to create the copy of this. On the right hand side, we have got a chart and we have to create the copy of chart also. I'll click on first header, that is serial number. I'll press Shift Ctrl down arrow key, right arrow key, and the whole data is selected. Now I'll press Ctrl, we'll come to the edge. We can see palm icon. I'll keep on pressing Ctrl and will drag down my data. We got various options like move here, copy here, and many more. I'll click on copy here and the copy is created. Same thing with my chart. I'll click on the chart. We'll press Ctrl. We'll come to the edge and will drag down my chart and the copy is created. I can resize the chart as per my requirement or reposition my chart as per my requirement. Let's move to next example. Create table and the shortcut is Ctrl T. Over here I have got a data and I have to convert the data in a format. I'll click on very first header. We'll press Shift Ctrl down arrow key, right arrow key, and the whole data is selected. Or I can click anywhere inside my data, can press Ctrl A, and the whole data will be selected. Now I'll press Ctrl T. Small window will pop up. Create table. Over here we can see the option of my table has headers, and I'll do OK. And my data got converted in a very beautiful table. As soon as my table got created, we can see table tab on the top. Over here we get various options to change the color. Whatever color we want, we can select from here. In case you have changed the color and you think to change the color once again, it can be done very easily. Whenever we create table, filter buttons get applied automatically. If you want to remove the filter buttons, just go to table tab and you will get the option of filter button. Currently it's ticked, so I'll untick this and my filter button got removed. In case you have converted your data in a table and later you realize that you don't need table and you want to convert your data to a range, just go to table tab, come to left hand side and click on Convert to Range. Small window will pop up. Alert. Do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Just click on Yes. And your table will be converted to a normal range. And just notice, on the top we can't see table tab. Let's move to next example. Create chart. And the shortcut is Alt plus F1. In case you are using laptop, the shortcut will be Alt plus function F1. I want to create chart based on region and sales. Over here, same region is repeated many times. So we will insert a small formula over here. I'll take 4 regions, East, West, North and South. Ctrl C or Command C and will paste over here. Ctrl V or Command V. Ctrl C is shortcut of copy and Ctrl V is shortcut of paste. I'll press escape. Now I'll insert my formula and the formula will be plus or equal to sum if bracket open range. We have to take out the sale of region, so I'll select region from top to bottom. We'll press F4 or function F4 and my range will be logged, comma, criteria. In the very beginning, I want sales of East, so I'll click on East over here, comma, sum range. We want total of sales, so I'll select sales from top to bottom. We'll press F4 or function F4 and my range will be logged. I'll close the bracket and will hit enter. And I got total sales over here. I'll align this in center and will remove the decimals. Now I'll drag this down. We'll create borders. So my data is ready. Now let's create our chart. I'll select all the regions along with sales. Now I'll press Alt function F1 and my chart got created. As soon as my chart got created, we can see 2 new tabs. One is chart design and the other is format. We can change our chart style from here. Even we can change the colors. To change the colors, you'll have to go to chart design, come to left hand side, change colors and select the colors as per your requirement. Let's move to next example. Autofill, and the shortcut is Control D. Over here I want my total sales, so the formula will be plus or equal to quantity into rate, and I'll press enter, and I got total sales. Now I'll select from top to bottom and will press Control D, and all the figures got auto-filled automatically. Let's move to next example. Auto sum. Shortcut for Windows will be Alt plus Windows key, and the shortcut for MacBook will be Command Shift T. Let's take out total sales over here first. Plus or equal to quantity into rate, and I'll hit enter. Now I'll select from top to bottom and will press Control D. I'll click at the bottom. Over here we want total sales. I'm using MacBook, so I'll press Command Shift T, and we got the total amount. If I'll double click on the formula, we can see the formula or function of sum over here. I'll hit enter. Let's move to next example. Insert or remove filters, and the shortcut is Shift Control L. Let's select the whole data by pressing Control A or Command A. Now I'll press Shift Control L, and filters got applied automatically. To remove this, command will be same, Shift Control L. In case you want to apply filter only on region, just select region from top to bottom, press Shift Control L, and filter got applied. To remove this, shortcut will be same, Shift Control L. Let's move to next example. Translator, and the shortcut will be Shift Alt F7. In case we are using laptop, shortcut will be Shift plus Alt plus function F7. Over here I have got my text, and I have to convert my text to my regional language, that is Hindi. In case you want to translate your text to a desired language, process will be same. So I'll click on my text and will press Shift Alt function F7. On the right hand side, we got a window of Translator. Whenever you are using this shortcut, please ensure that your internet is on. When we come to right hand side, we can see English detected, means the language which is detected is English. When we come down, over here we can see English. I'll click on drop down, will come down and will select my desired language, and my text got converted in my desired language. Now I'll copy this, Control C or Command C, will come over here, will go to formula bar and will paste my desired language, Control V or Command V, and will hit enter. And just notice, my text got translated in my desired language. In case you want to convert your text in any other language, just click over here and select the desired language. If I'll select French, we got the text in French. We'll copy this, Control C or Command C. We'll click over here. We'll delete this. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste my text, Control V or Command V. Enter. And we got our text in French. Enter. Perfect. Let's close this and move to next example. Down in same cell. Over here our target is to move down in same cell without increasing column size, and the shortcut will be Alt plus Enter. I'll click over here, will insert my text, will type office, will press Alt and will hit Enter. Now I can type my text, monk, will press Alt and will hit Enter. Will type YouTube, will press Alt, will hit Enter. Will type channel, enter, and we got the desired result. Let's move to next example. Delete blank rows. Over here we will use two shortcuts. First will be F5 or function F5, and the second will be Control minus. In my data, I have got many blank rows, so I'll select my data, will press F5 or function F5. In case you are using laptop, you will have to press function F5. As soon as I pressed function F5, small window popped up. Go to. I'll come down and will click on special. Go to special. My fourth option is blanks. I'll click on blanks. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. All the blank rows got selected. Now I'll press Ctrl minus. Small window popped up. Delete. We can see four options over here. Shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, entire column. We will click on entire row and we'll do OK. And all the blank rows got deleted. Earlier our serial number was till 24. Let's manage our serial number. Now it's 18. Let's move to next example. Find and replace, and the shortcut will be Ctrl H. You can use another shortcut, that is Shift Ctrl F. In my name, I have got monk in the end, but in few names, instead of monk, we can see cent. And my target over here is to remove cent, and the word which we are going to put after removing cent is monk. I'll select from top to bottom, or we can select our whole data also. We'll press Ctrl A or Command A. We'll press Ctrl H. Small window will pop up. Find and replace. Find what? Find cent. Replace with monk. We'll come down and we'll click on Replace All. Alert. All finished. We made 4 replacements. And I'll do OK. Now I can close this. And just notice, the word cent got removed and got replaced by monk. Let's move to next example. Flash fill, and the shortcut is Ctrl E. Over here I have got my full name, and on the right hand side I want initials, first name and surname in various columns. So I'll copy this, or I can drag this also. We'll come to initials. We'll leave initials over here and we'll delete rest. Enter. Now I'll come to first name. We'll delete initials and we'll delete surname or last name. Enter. We'll come to surname or last name. We'll delete all the things from the very beginning and we'll hit enter. Now I'll come to initials and we'll press Ctrl E. We'll come to first name, Ctrl E. We'll come to surname or last name and we'll press Ctrl E. And I got the desired result. Over here we can see small icon, and this icon is of flash fill. So Ctrl E is the shortcut of flash fill. Let's move to next and last example. Format numbers, and the shortcut is Shift Ctrl 3. Whenever we insert date in Excel, date gets automatically converted in general format and we get some random figures just like this. So I'll select all the dates from top to bottom. We'll press Shift Ctrl 3 and just notice all the random figures got converted in date format. So these were the few examples of Excel shortcut keys which are really very useful in our daily work. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.